Kasi ako, yung anticipation ko nung kahapon is more on opening a new area sana kung saan kami papunta. Kasi alam naman ninyo, matagal na namin sinasabi, dapat puntahan na natin kung sino talaga yung pinakaugat, kung sino yung mastermind. Pero kahapon nakita nyo, it was concentrated on the coordinates. Ako, I was a little bit disappointed, personal ko to. Kasi sa kauna-unang hearing pa lang namin sa Blue Ribbon, sinabi ko na yun, there is a problem on coordinates. So, ibig sabihin, kahapon lang nila na naisip na totoo pala yun. At doon na-concentrate ang usapan. Totoo yun eh. Ang ginamit nila is MYPS, which is multi-year planning and system. Samantalang meron silang PCMA, which is more accurate. Meron pa silang Survey 123. Yun ang ngayon, inumpisahan na naman sa MYPS. So, anong mapaprofit natin doon? Wala. The coordinates are wrong. The discrepancies, sa kanila nga, mga 2 kilometers lang ang discrepancy. Ito sa ginawa namin, was able to find out a variance or discrepancy between 65 or 67 kilometers to 400 kilometers. So, it is a little bit disappointing on my part kasi I was expecting more. Lalong-lalo na, nandoon si Yusek Bernardo, the former Yusek Bernardo, at nandun din si Yusek Trigib. Kung maalala ninyo, noong budget hearing, in the plenary debates, Senator Ping made a disclosure that hearing ito ng DBCC, Sen. Aimee, if you can recall. He made mention of something like 8 billion pesos, which was the kickback out of 81 to 82 billion pesos na nanggaling dun sa Operation Yusek Bernardo. Yung 16% is supposed to be about 8 billion. Binigay niya kay Yusek Trigib. At sinabi pa niya doon na parang nag-switch sila ng armored van park in the parking lot or parking space of Diamond Hotel. I was expecting na sana doon pagharapin. Trigib, as you have, Yusek Trigib denied it on the questioning of Senator Kiko. At sabi pa ni Senator Kiko, that's a general denial. Alam nyo, sa abogado, pag sinabi mong that's a general denial, meron pong ibig sabihin yon. Ang general denial is a negative pregnant, which means it is equivalent to admission. So sana, nandun sana yung tanungan. Nandun si Yusek Bernardo, so on questioning of Senator Kiko, so ibig mo sabihin, nung dinideny mo, di nagsisinungaling si Yusek Bernardo. I can say that, sabi niya. So si Yusek Bernardo should have been allowed to explain. O, ginawa kang sinungaling, ano masasabi mo? Sana. Wala yun eh.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.